If you've just got your new HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E and aren't sure how to set it up, then this video is for you. Setting up a new printer can feel confusing at first, but it is actually much easier than you think. In this video, you will learn everything from unboxing your HP OfficeJet printer and installing the software on your computer to printing the very first page. And if you get stuck at any point during setup, feel free to call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one expert help right away. So without any further delay, let's set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E printer. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Turn on your HP printer and go to its touchscreen panel. Next, you should press the menu option. Then, scroll down to select the settings option. After that, tap on Network. Now, choose Wi-Fi. Tap on the Start option next to Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. From the list of wireless network options, you should select yours. When you're on the screen, then simply tap on Next to move forward. Now, enter your correct network password and tap on Submit. On the Confirm Settings screen, tap on OK. Once the wireless connection is successful, press OK and then press the Home icon button. For the next step, what we will do is use the HP Smart app to complete the setup of your printer. Also, if you find these steps easy to follow, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like. Now, you should download and open the HP Smart app on your Windows device. Note, you can easily download the HP Smart app by searching for it on the web browser. On the home screen, click on Add New Printer option. Next, you should choose your HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E printer name. Here, simply click on Continue to proceed with the further steps. When you see the Wi-Fi access prompt, simply click on Continue. Next, a screen will tell you to touch the check mark on your printer's display. Go ahead and tap on the right check mark. Now your printer will be connected. You just need to click on Continue. When a pop-up says the printer driver is successfully installed, click on the Continue button. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.